Good afternoon to February 26th. Alpha, Bank of America. Alpha have 2 points with Bank of America exiting at 92%. Let's go to the charts. There it is. Bank of America got out at 425. We got in at 221, and it resulted in a 92% return in 23 days. That's 204 with two contracts at 408, $3 in fees, 405 in the return for the trade, knocking down the rock of 28.87 to a new O of 17.82. Thank you, Bank of America. Also, look, the indicators are going in the down direction, so we just might be picking this up again if the scanner proves out that we have something available. Going on now to another exit. Yeah, we had a second exit today, and that second exit was Berkshire Hathaway. Yes, they came through with a last. They were also in last bar low. They had 101%. No, this was a high, low, high. This was a low, higher, low, lower, low, higher, low exit right there. It resulted also in a 35% return in 23 days, $160, one contract, $2 in fees, 158 with 1102 on the rock, coming to a new O of 944. Okay, Berkshire. We did have a third exit, and that was TJ Maxx. We might as well go ahead and knock out the bad news, and that's TJ Maxx. And TJ Maxx came in with a loss. Wasn't very big, 29%. It's doable. It did not get past this first ratio. So, I mean, consider, as I said in the past, this is a ratio trade. I'm going to risk 1 unit to make 3 minimum and maximum 10 or more. So the bottom line is we took another hit on TJ Maxx, and then their O now is at 27.44 with 144 loss, $2 in fee. So it is what it is, but 2 out of 3, two wins out of 3, not bad for the day. That now goes into our new leader. Our new leader is now XLC. XLC is right here, and XLC. Go ahead and zoom in a little bit better. There we go. XLC is a put. Scanner yesterday came up with a lot of puts, so could be a sentiment in the market. Courtney Smith today and this past week said that we should be in a little bit of a doldrums, maybe a bit of a pullback for seasonality. So that could be the very possibility that we're going through right now, but it's okay. We don't take the money off the table while we can. So we're here at this is a put, but it's a nice little put, and our target is 68.90 for our third ratio to be able to initiate any of the exit rules, or we get the RRI 100. That'll be even better yet. Okay, our next leader is Capri, and Capri is a upscale fashion house. And apparently people with money are still out there going out buying $800 bags. And it's true. I went into a Michael Kors, which was a Capri subsidiary in Tokyo, and I looked at the handbag on the shelf, and it was $800. And the woman asked me, "Are you interested in looking at it?" And I go like, "Oh, I'm good." $800 for a head, and that's okay. And my wife says, my wife was with me, and I said, "Really?" And she says, "Yes, a brand." I said, "Okay, between you ladies, that's fine, but I ain't paying no $800 for a book for a handbag." No, then our last positive leader is American Express. Now, American Express exited a couple of days ago, reducing its nut from virtually $1,700 down to $1,213, and then the scanner came up with a reversal coming up. So you can see here, remember, a review of the stochastic strategy is a strategy. The stochastic must lead first into the down direction, followed by the RSI falling down and the histogram coming down. So that is the strategy, and that's what we got into. Now, I am a little bit leery about the price cycle is in the high zone, as well as the 30-day moving average is in the uptrend. So I'm not too crazy about taking trades this high up. But then again, we never know when the bend's going to bend and the trend's going to bend, and the trend is no longer your friend, unless, of course, you get on the other side of the trade. So we're going to have to see what happens further in this relation. Now, today I had a very interesting class, and that was with a woman named Markay Latimer. Markay Latimer. I'm not going to go bottom. All right, let's see if I can call it up on the here. So Markay Latimer. There it is. Okay, I took this class it was only $97. But guess what? It was not bad. For $97, she gave 3 hours of instruction, gave very good foundation to moving averages and how she uses it. And I started to looking at this and saying, you know what? If I use her strategies, moving strategies, I just might not be taking puts at this high price cycle if the moving averages are not indicating that it's a possible a downtrend. So that's going to be an evolution, adding to our to our stochastic strategy for later this weekend to do some researches. So, with that said, we're going to conclude today's report of losers become winners. The Alphas gained 2 points for a score now of 17 wins since January 1st. Yes, year to date, we have 17 wins in the Alphas of the stochastic strategy. We did do an Elvis Shift on February 1st. Remember that? We did go to the 3-to-1 ratio, and now the new evolution just very well might be the KMAR moving average. We'll see how that works out. And with that, we're going to conclude today's report. And I thank you very much for checking it out. Bye bye.